In 1943, German designer Hugo Schmeisser built a weapon Hitler tried to cancel. The Sturmgewehr 44 combined the firepower of a machine gun with the accuracy of a rifle, all in a single shoulder-fire package. It fired a new intermediate cartridge, shorter than a rifle round but more powerful than a pistol. Soldiers loved it. When German generals finally got one into Hitler's hands, even he was impressed. The world called this new category the assault rifle. Every military rifle since has followed its design.